Previously on The Legends of Endar.
Has been leaving radon everywhere, like he owns the place. The first time I threw mine away.
I love the show. I wasn't watching anything. You scared the crap out of me. King Steve, we kind of can't live here anymore. It's too dangerous and all. So we're gonna live. Can I come? Yeah, sure, but like, don't you need to protect your temple and stuff? You're the king anyway. Nah, I don't care about that. Well, okay then. Well, I guess you can.
Makes sense. Oh, so we're gonna be living in like a 2x2 apartment?
No, we're gonna be living some Hollywood shit.
Damn, son. I'm ready to see it.
So you ready for this? Okay.
Yeah!
Okay, Kai, you need to like calm the hell down, okay? Padre.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go into a submarine?
No, we don't need one.
Oh, what? Then what are we gonna do? Nice! Alright, let's walk.
Yeah.
I'm tired of walking.
Me too, but at least we'll get there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's take a break here.
Yeah. Hey, what's that?
Uh,
Oh my god! Jason, what is that? Oh my god! Finally. Show off.
Okay, I dare you.
Looks nice. Wait, where's the king? He should be here.
Okay, I am here with my bikini bitches. Yes.
King, is that you?
What are you doing here? Like I said, I'm with the bikini bitches. Okay then, well, do you want to go explore the city? Okay, sounds good.
Let's go.
But let's just go back to the park.
Yeah, let's go.
Apartment, you know? Yay! Yay! Okay, mister, we would like a room for 3. Okay, let's go.
12 flights of stairs! Oh, man, I'm so tired.
I know.
Alright, let's go into the apartment.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay, let's just go. Everyone good? Yeah, I'm gonna be getting a lot of hoes in here.
Wait, did someone fart? Someone farted.
Did you fart?
Was it you, King?
No, it was not me.
Was it you?
Was it you?
Then I don't. It definitely wasn't me though. Oh God, it smells so bad. I want to jump out this window.
I have a confession to make. It was me.
Oh, that smelled really bad.
Oh, no.
That was you. Oh my.
Oh, that smells like shit.
That's probably what it was. Oh, that smelled really bad.
No, I'm
though.
sorry.
Wait, who's that at the door?
You go get it.
Or do you think you should get it?
No, you get it.
You? No, I think you should get it.
You should get it.
No,
You
I
should
really
get it.
think you should get it.
No. King, no, he should.
No, you
I'm
maybe
not getting
him.
that. It's fine. You get it.
No, I feel like you should get it. No, you should really get it though. Yeah, I feel like he should get
You
it.
wanna get it?
No, him.
You should get it. Yeah, you should get it.
No, actually, I feel like you should get it. Actually.
No. I think Ray should get it. No. You.
Or maybe like he could get it. I don't know. Maybe maybe King can get it. I don't know. We gotta decide who should get it. Ray or him. Oh my God, they're knocking really loud on the door. Okay, King, you should get it.
Open the fucking door!
Okay, fine. I'll get it.
Is Trico here?
No, he passed away. I'm sorry.
He passed.
Oh, I'm his brother.
Oh, I am so sorry. That's.
What happened to your voice?
I had puberty.
Oh, yeah, sounds reasonable.
Yeah, your family.
Well, come in.
So, how many redstone trips did you bring with you, huh?
None.
Okay, Ray, when we beat the Redstone tribe, I found this, scanner. I can scan him with it. So
Ooh.
I'm gonna scan him.
Okay.
Alright. Yep, he's clear.
Okay. Yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah, he seems pretty naughty, but we'll just leave it. It'll be fine.
Can we go to bed now? I'm really tired.
Okay, who farted?
It wasn't me though. Yeah, it wasn't me. I think it might have been Yuka.
No, it wasn't me.
Hey Chris, was it you?
No, it wasn't me.
Actually, I'm having trouble sleeping, so I'm gonna watch some TV. See what's on. Whoa, guys, you won't believe what I found in the news.
Okay.
Check it out. Oh my God. Alright, let's watch the news.
Yeah, let's watch this.
Welcome, and today we bring you breaking news. The building behind me is currently being attacked by a gang of redstone troopers. We all know that King Piston is the one that's behind this. We do not know why they are attacking. They might be looking for someone, but do not worry, because we, the government, are investigating on this situation. Stay outdoors.
Oh, this is bad.
It's really bad.
We need to like. Oh, this is very bad. I should have stayed at the temple. Actually, that would have been way worse.
Yeah, that would have been way worse. Oh my God. I bet the temple is destroyed by now.
Wait, I think they're following Chris. Oh, we're sleeping. Yeah, we should talk about it in the morning.
Yeah, we'll talk about it in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's go to bed.
Yeah. Look.
Can we go? Crap.
Psych, I'm back, LOL XD.